Good morning, it's a beautiful Saturday. I'm just out here skateboarding while I wait for Clayton to get back because we have some cool plans for today. So yeah, Clayton is at the store and I am stationed here at the shop because I have to take delivery of a really cool car. And the cool car just arrived. Yes. Bam. Look what just got dropped off. So this client is just getting a full body paint protection kit, which very important when you have one of these cars.
What's up, guys? That car's pretty cool, huh? I don't know if Faith told you already, but it's in for an entire paint protection film. So we're covering the entire car in Expel Ultimate. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Finishing up this bumper and then it's on to
the
Jeep spa day. The Jeep's getting
oh yeah, it's spa day. It's getting deep tissue massage.
Yeah. Nah.
It is pretty cool. The whole car kind of shakes.
Yeah, but
definitely needs improvement.
Yeah.
So we're gonna quickly go over everything that's included in this really high-end Jeep spa day. So what do you got there?
Oh, I got a Mighty Light carpet extractor, only $1,200.
That one's $800.
Fram Fresh Breeze
cabin air filter.
Cabin air filters. And then my pride and joy, the Vapor Clean. It's gonna do the job. So this is an ozone generator. You put it in the car and it's supposed to eliminate all bad odors. You don't want to be in the car though while it's working because apparently that's deadly. So.
Okay, so we're gonna use all these machines and equipment and everything to try to get this smoke smell out of the car, as well as all previous dirt. So most of the seats, and the seat buckles and the seat belts, they're all really grimy. So first things first, we're gonna pull everything out of the Jeep, and that way we can kind of separate everything. I'm gonna clean, we're gonna pull the seats out. That's kind of cool. In our last Jeep detailing video, we pulled the seats out. This one's a little bit more high tech though, so I gotta disconnect the battery and wait a little bit, that way we don't get any airbag lights, because that's not good. You don't want any airbag lights, right? No. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery, pull everything out, pull the seats out. That way we can get all into the nooks and crannies underneath the seats, try to get as much carpet cleaned as possible.
So this is what I want you to use today, okay? You're gonna help clean since it's partially your car too. He's ready.
All right, you know some heavy duty cleaning is about to go down when I gotta put my hair up.
I already beat you to it, my hair's up already. Excuse me.
Sorry, Sal.
So check it out, we're removing the back bench currently. We got this bolt out way down there and we already found a nickel. So this car's paying for itself already. Ooh, look at those guns. Jeez.
Which ones?
Your biceps. Nice. Any more money down there?
Nope.
No, dang it.
You got this. You got this. Yay! We got all of the seats out of the car. It looks kind of cool. But let's give you a kind of a full tour of all the crap in here. All right. So the back, it's not too bad. There's a lot of crap all up in here, so we took all the compartments out so we can get a better clean.
Just pulled this out and we found, what was that, 47 cents.
Jeez.
Yeah, dude, we almost made a whole
It's like
dollar
they're
back.
paying us to do this.
Yeah.
Like, this is what really gets me. So, if you see on this stuff is like hand grease. On the shifter, there's more like hand grease in these cracks. This needs to be shampooed because that's just dirt sitting in there. We just like having a clean car. Can you blame us? So just like the last Jeep detail, I'm gonna do kind of a time lapse of me vacuuming. Let's get started.
Okay, we've been hustling. We just realized the time about 20 minutes ago, and we have to go to like a family barbecue, so we're hustling. So we got the seats back in. So we got the seat back in, that seat back in, the whole back bench. And Faith keeps turning on and off the car for some reason.
Cleaning the start button.
So this is like one of these trick things that I just learned online last night. We'll see if it actually works. So the cabin air filter goes right here. So if I turn on the AC full blast, it should pull like air from down here and through here. And I'm gonna spray all this disinfectant to try to disinfect the different air channels and stuff in the dash, so we don't have to pull that apart. So I gotta turn on the AC. AC, okay. Oh yeah, so I got the AC on, I can feel so much air going through here. So I'm just gonna lightly mist this Sentiva Disinfecting Multi-Surface Cleaner, Tuscan Lavender and Jasmine. It should do the trick. So I'm gonna lightly mist it in the place where the cabin air filter goes, and it'll lightly disperse it through the vents, and hopefully it'll spray out here. Because we got the AC going, we should smell it in a second. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, completely. I already smell it. It's like blowing through all the vents.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Okay, so it's doing its job. We're gonna throw in a new cabin air filter, one that has like Arm & Hammer, charcoal, odor eliminator stuff. And hopefully with all of this work, we won't have any smoke smell. Also, no dirt. These seats were trashed.
All of this work just completely wiped Sal out. You were just working so hard over here, just sleeping. Man, oh man, we put you through so much.
Okay, so we got ozone time. So, crash course in chemistry as far as my understanding goes. The ozone generator adds an extra oxygen molecule to the O2, which is oxygen, and then it becomes very unstable, and when it goes back to oxygen, it creates like a sterilizing side effect, which then kills the odors. But I want it to be outside, the AC pumping, everything circulating through.
Let's do it!
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. We just bought this ozone machine on Amazon, so
160 bucks, right?
yeah, it's like $175, something like that. But hopefully it works, because if it does, then we can start offering it to our clients.
Yeah, if it doesn't,
Yeah.
Amazon,
If it doesn't,
you're getting a return.
yeah, we'll return it.
It's windy out here. Storm's brewing. Storm's brewing. I feel storm coming.
Wow, so it turned on in my face, so hopefully I don't die.
Okay, so we just pretty much did 90% of the detail, and we are going to a quick picnic with my family at the lake. So I guess we'll bring you along with us. We're gonna leave once the ozone generator is done, and it'll be a good test to see if all the smell is out, because we'll be taking it to the lake. So, okay, so we're about to leave, but I want to give you pretty much kind of the finished product of what it looks like. It looks so good. So we honestly went so ham on all this. There's a little bit of crumbs left, but crap that came out of these seats is something I never want to see again. Yeah. It looks so much better, and it smells amazing. I don't smell any smoke at all. We steamed the headliner, we shampooed the carpets, we shampooed the seats, we steamed the sheets, we shampooed the carpets, we steamed the seats, we steamed the whole interior, vacuumed it all, cleaned it all with an all-purpose cleaner, and then we sprayed that ozone stuff in. So yeah, this is in way better condition than it was. So I'm pretty excited. Well, yeah, it smells fantastic. I am so happy with the job we did.
Yeah, I think it turned out really, really, really good.
Really good for, what, 2 hours?
It took us about 2.5 hours, so about 5 man hours, or 1 man, 1 faith hour. Or 1 man, 1 faith hours.
Next up is tint on these windows, obviously. I would secretly like the windshield done, and Clayton wants to just double up on the sunroof, right?
Yeah, just to cut down on the heat.
Yeah. I guess everyone had the same idea as us. Oh, it's a dead end. Alright, let's go this way. Wow. All I'm trying to do is see the water. Jeez Louise. Wow, man. Wow, jeez. Gosh. Anyways, here looks like a storm's coming, so that's pretty cool. We have a blob of Rice Krispies here.
Yeah.
You're adorable.
Just waiting for the storm to pass. You're all doing a great job. You're doing great. Ready?
Yep.
These are really smooth rocks. Wow.
Well, that's always a blast. Hanging out with
super
family by the lake or by the reservoir.
The storm passed, luckily, and it's really nice out again.
Super nice out again. So we left the windows down in the Jeep for the last hour and a half, almost 2 hours to let everything dry. And in Utah, if you guys don't know, it's a desert, super dry. So everything is already dry.
Yeah.
There's a super crazy faint, funky smell that kind of resembles smoke, but like also just kind of smells like old. So we may do the ozone machine one more time, but pretty much like this is night and day difference.
Yeah.
Like the whole inside of the car feels so good.
So I hope that was super interesting for you guys. I had a lot of fun cleaning it because I've been waiting all week to clean this, seriously.
Stay tuned for more videos on this Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT and more videos in general.
Thanks. All right. See you later.
Peace.